Hi, I'm Emil Nakwa. Welcome to What is Multimedia Part 2. Within this video, we'll be talking about file calculations, on how to calculate images, audio, whatever. Anyways, let's continue. For example, let us calculate an image of a file size of a black and white image with a resolution of 640 to 400 pixels. To calculate the file size of this image, you must multiply the horizontal and vertical and bit depth, which is 8 of the image. So this creates an equation of horizontal times vertical times bit depth. Actually, this image contains a bit depth of 1, so change that to 1, as it doesn't provide a bit depth of 1 within the image. But anyways, let's continue. The equation will become 640 times 400 times 1 over 8 times 1024. Now, when you times 600 to 400 to 1, it will only come in bytes. To make it to kilobytes, we times it by 8 to times 1024. We divide it by that the number that makes. And you'll get a big number that will show approximately how much kilobytes the size of the file is. When calculating bit depth, it always starts by timesing 2 to the power of 1, which goes up and up and up. So for example, we have a bit depth of 1. To find out how much the relationship between it is to the power of 1, so 2 to the power of 1 bit depth. That is equivalent to 2 pixels. If there is a bit depth of 2, you would add 2 to the power of 2, which creates 4 pixels. This keeps going on and on and on, from like 32, so 2 to the power of 32, and they'll make 4 billion, whatever. So that's how bit depth is calculated. So by beginning with the power, by timing 2 to the power of x, which is the bit depth. So 2 to the power of the bit depth will calculate approximately how many pixels is within that bit depth. To conclude the video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your IPT student friends, whatever. This is the end of What is Multimedia Part 2, and make sure to watch our next video on What is Multimedia Part 3, where we will be talking about examples on multimedia, such and such. There's more extras, and make sure to keep watching them and learn the best you can, for the benefit of your ATAR on IPT. You can do it. Band 6. This is where it's at. This is where the Band 6 is at. This here is a Band 6. Band 6 all over this. Band 6. all over that face.